Welcome back to our new video, friends. Today we are going to talk about how to on TalkBack in Redmi 10 phone, guys. How can you on TalkBack in Redmi phone, and guys how to on TalkBack setting in Redmi 10 phone. Today I will tell you guys how to on, guys, and how can you on in your Redmi 10 phone. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all, guys, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So right now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, come on additional setting, guys. You can see, guys, we will have to click on additional setting. Then guys, click on accessibility. Then guys, click on vision. First, guys, you can see TalkBack. You want to on TalkBack, guys, use TalkBack and on. So guys, TalkBack will be on. So I think, friends, we have understood how to on TalkBack. And guys, TalkBack, guys, who person use, guys, the person who is blind, guys, they use TalkBack in phone, guys. A person, guys, who is blind, guys, so guys, they use TalkBack in phone. So I hope, friends, we have understood how to on TalkBack in the Redmi 10 phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.